From 17 July to 23 July, Anti-Narcotics Force Pakistan seized 632 kg drugs and arrested 24 persons including a woman involved in drug smuggling and impounded 9 vehicles while conducting 27 counter-narcotics operations throughout the country. ANF Punjab recovered 259 kg drugs in 6 operations while arrested 7 persons involved in drug smuggling and imported 4 vehicles. ANF Balochistan recovered 158 kg drugs in 4 operations while arrested a person involved in drug smuggling and imported a vehicle. ANF KP recovered 140 kg drugs in 5 operations while arrested 2 persons involved in drug smuggling and imported a vehicle. ANF North recovered 47 kg drugs in 9 operations while arrested 11 persons including a woman involved in drug smuggling and imported 3 vehicles. ANF Sindh recovered 29 kg drugs in 3 operations while arrested 3 persons involved in drug smuggling. All cases have been registered at respective ANF police station under CNS Act 1997 and further investigation are under process.